wanna know me?
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, my name is Ashley, aka Pink-UniBudgetz, here on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. So don't forget to follow me on those platforms also. Today we are just doing our monthly budget setup, and the theme is like green and yellow. So I'm just gonna be setting this stuff up. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe, all that good stuff. I hope you guys have been having a great weekend. This will be going up today. I was like, I know I need to be doing some batch creation, like where you record all your stuff all at once and then you post it, like you schedule it. But I have to wait till I get paid and all that, and I know I have to do a video for tomorrow. So, and I need to pick out my nails because we're gonna be doing some cash stuffing later on this week. But first we gotta get this budget right. So let me look at the last day. When was the 1st? Because I know I am all the way behind. Because I know some people have already started doing their March setups already. So this is the 1st. It's on a Wednesday. First is on a Wednesday. So we're just going to start putting these up. And I got this little kit. It's like a, it was an Erin Condren kit I got off of Etsy. I forgot where I got this from. Usually they have their names on there, but they don't have it on this one now. So I'm just gonna be numbering everything. Oops, sorry. But yeah, I hope you guys have been doing a great day or having a great day. I might speed through this because this is like the small, tedious task of numbering everything. So let's just speed on through this. I don't know if there's a 31 in March, but we just gonna fly through it. So Wednesday, I know I gotta pay my rent. And I did pay Dabble, but then I ended up canceling it or pausing it for 3 months because I wasn't sure if I was gonna write something. I really do want to try to get some writing done today. See, I gotta look back and see what does all do. So I have something on the 6th, 7th, and 8th. And I got these little stickers too. And they're like green and yellow, perfect. I think this one is for my phone bill. Yep, 7th is the phone bill. 8th is the car. I need to try to find some cheaper car insurance, but it's kind of hard because I think it's the credit card. That's due. It's kind of hard because of where I live at. I live kind of close to the city, so my car insurance is pretty high. So the 10th is internet, and then I think this is just like birthdays and like an appointment. I do need to make a dental appointment, dentist appointment. Let's see. I know I have to pay my loans. It's Viva, Liberty, and Op, because that's payday. So sorry if you guys see me flipping back and forth, but I do use the previous months. So the 11th is Apple Care. I'm trying to decide if I really need Apple Care. it's like I want to cancel it, but at the same time, it's like once you cancel the insurance, then something will probably go wrong. Like, I don't know, because I know my earbuds, I know something did actually go wrong with them. Like my left earbud just stopped working. And I had to go make an appointment, and they had to ship it off to see what was wrong with it. 9. And I feel like that was a whole big woot. Like whoop whoop. So this was rent, $15.03. We paid that. Dabble, $15. Paid that. I have to look at my phone bill to see how much that is. This was just a credit card. Paid that. And my car insurance, $208. $99. And then I have to look at my internet, because I know my internet went up because I had to up it to unlimited because I was using a lot of gigabytes, which, you know, I'm recording a lot of videos, I'm trying to upload them, and yeah, so this is partially the reason why it was taking so long for me to upload too, is because I had slower internet. So this price went up. We got Viva and was it Liberty? So these are my 3 loans I'm trying to get rid of. That's what I'm doing, the savings box challenge. That's what those challenges are for. My envelope challenge is going to be going towards my debt, and some of the challenges will be going to my month ahead and like self-care and stuff. So I guess I just have to figure out the reason why I'm doing everything. It's like I know I have to probably cancel some subscriptions this month, especially since I've been getting called off work. So I gotta probably just like pause it for a month until I can get back on track. So Sadie's stickers, I might cancel this one because Sadie stickers because it's like it's a month behind, and by the time it might not be a month behind, but by the time I get it, it's already at the end of the month and we're going into the new month. So I have to think, like, is that really helping me when I need the stickers from, you know, I need the March stickers in March, not in April, if that makes sense. So I got 17th, 18th. So I might just go ahead and cancel that too. You know, I mean, the stickers are really pretty. Don't get me wrong. It's just like, oh, okay, well, we're already in March and you're sending me February stickers. And the theme is like completely different. $10.99. Netflix. $19.99. Banfield. But this is how, if you want to get ahead on your bills and you kind of have an overview. Oh, okay. Sorry, I thought I heard something. It sounded like something was crunching. I'm like, what is that? So if you guys hear that in the background, I'm sorry. Okay, so if you want to get an overview, this is kind of like how I look at it, and I meant to check all this stuff off. Like, it's very important. Like, I check some of this stuff off. but it's important to come back and really look at it, add some bills that you didn't know that was on there. So you could be like, okay, so this is a new bill that was on there that I didn't know. So on the 21st, and I think I did get the bill for this. I think it's like $80 for my electricity. And Afterpay, I think all that stuff is this paid off? I will have to double check. So I got Zeus and Hulu Epidemic Sound. So that's all also due on this one. So electricity, Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is what I use for my music on my YouTube. Trying to see if there's anything else. If I miss something, I'll always come back and fill everything out. So I know, like, I know Vivi is $139. Viva. $139. Op is $194. And Liberty is $245. That I have to pay. So this is what I get paid this week. So this is payday. I'm gonna use the little star things. This is payday. So, and then we'll start over from there. So this is how I do my monthly budget. And then you have your financial overview, like what is our goals, what are the birthdays, appointments. I like this, and then any other goals, any things that you can kind of think of. So I do have like this to do in my monthly budget. So we write down all of our budget, all of our fixed expenses, which for this was, you know, rent, because it says debt and savings. So you want to make sure we put this one. We gotta put our credit cards on here. Sephora. I haven't used my Ulta. We still got my Walmart card to pay off. And I got one more credit card. I think it is Avant that we're paying off. The variable expenses would be like, you can either use these as your cash envelopes, like your gas, groceries, everything. You could really plan it. Variable means that it changes. So we can put like how much we're trying to save, gas, groceries, or we put right here what we're actually going to budget for. So gas, groceries, self-care, snacks. And I used to put my pay by 4 apps right here, like your Firm, Afterpay, any other taxes. Like if you use the Earnin app or the Albert, I will put the taxes right here. And you know, I've been trying to get rid of them little apps, because they have been they have been killing me with them fees. But we have that one. We have Apple Care. I'm trying to really get my things down. This Sadie stickers I might get rid of. So I might need something that's a little bit bigger to write down all my bills for the month. Like if I go by paycheck, they'll fit. But by the month, it takes up, I need a little bit more room. So, and this is just your income, what you brought into the house. This is what you will put on there. And then we're going to write down our financial goals, financial wins. And I know the goal for this month is to pay at least Walmart and Avant. So we're going to try to knock those 2 credit cards out this month. So that is the goal. So one of the goals is to pay off 2 credit cards. Another one is to save at least $800, because you know we're trying to save up to $20,000, and we're gonna have to start doubling this amount. And then what else should be one of our financial goals is that I want to, for Pink-Uni, for this month, I want to make at least 20 sales this month. So that is my goal. Financial wins, I haven't really think about anything. Appointments, birthday, I think it's my cousin Gigi's birthday. And then we'll come back and say like what is our improvements for next month, and then our dump it notes. So we'll come back and we'll check off everything and see if we got to our goals. Our goal is to pay off 2 credit cards. So alrighty, that's all that it is. And if there's more, I'll probably come back, add some more bills in here in case I forget anything. But these are like the main ones that I know I have. So like the pay by 4s, I think I'm completely done paying off all the pay by 4s, hopefully. But I have to come back and check. So all right, I'll see y'all next time. And the next time we're going to be emptying out our cash envelopes. We got this Easter savings challenge that I want to do. So we'll come back and color in some Easter savings. And this is also available on my website for free. And then we can just do that. And I know we also have the March saving challenges, and like any holiday saving challenges that I do will be going in for that month. And I'm thinking about just keeping it in there. You know how you have like every month you save that amount? I think I'm gonna try to keep some in there. But then the rest will go to my Budget Queen savings so we can start building that up. So, all right, you guys, I'll talk to y'all tomorrow because we are doing March Madness. Every video for every day. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video. If you want somebody to help somebody budget, get on the right track, because sometimes we do actually have to write it down, actually visually see it, to get started. So all right, I'll see y'all later. Bye. Yeah.